Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gadget Trends. In this video we will talk about the latest Android 10 update for Redmi Y3 and Redmi Note 8 Pro. First we'll talk about the Redmi Y3. The new update MIUI 11.0.9.0 update has been released for the Redmi Y3. It is a global stable update and the size of this update is near about 1.7 GB. The main focus of this update is on the device security. No other features has been added in this update. Only some bugs has been fixed which were seen in the earlier update has been resolved. In the previous update, several users has given feedback about the excessive battery drainage. Now this issue has been fixed in this update, and other improvements in the system and performance has been done in this update. Now moving to the Redmi Note 8 Pro. In the Redmi Note 8 Pro, you will get the latest Android 10 update based on the Pixel Experience Custom ROM, which is one of the best ROM available out there. The main highlights of this update is the security patch. In this update, you will get the latest security patch of May 2020. The bugs related to the Wi-Fi display and the recorder has been fixed. The improvement in the long screenshots has been done, and several other bugs related to the APN has been fixed. You can check its changelog by going to the Pixel Experience official website. Check out all the features and bug fixes of this update. I have told you the main highlights of this update. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.